Guys, it's me again, Mom Shawie Vlog. And guys, I want to flex the last, but not the least. The last and the lost. No, it's not the lost. It's just the last of this century. Charot. So guys, flexing to you, Diamond Sparkle perfume. So, okay guys, flexing to you my newest perfume. It's very stylish, guys. Oh, guys. It's very, very, very. So again and again, God, thank you very much for all of these blessings, especially the perfume. It doesn't mean it will not only make me beautiful, but it makes me so beautiful. Thank you very much, Gang, for this perfume. Thank you very much for the fragrance, the new fragrance. So this comes from Secret. Hey! Thank you very much once again to our dear sponsor for the continuous sharing of blessings. So thank you. Thank you. Salamat po ng marami. It's so classy. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you very much. And gang, again and again, we would like to say thank you, and we're forever grateful for all the blessings and of course for the love and support to Ma'am Shawie Vlog. Thank you. Amping, take care always po, and God bless always. Thank you.